Hello, and let's take a look on my trades from last 2 days. So GBP NZD, as you can see from TDI indicator, we see strong move to the upside, then reverse with tweezer pattern. That trade did not work out, so that was loss. Next trade was USD CAD, as you can see Fibonacci to 0506018 with tweezer pattern with bigger candle than candle before him, and as you can see this trade was successful. I will not be talking about this trade. You can watch my video on Fibonacci strategy I have on this channel. Last 2 weeks I saw this pattern 3 times and it always worked. So very easy to understand strategy. It ran above 1 to 3 risk to reward, and today I am in this trade. It's still live. Now it's about 1 to 1, so stops are now to break even. And in this video I will tell you reasons why I took this trade, and I'm targeting these lows. So let's take a look. Let's go back on charts and take a look what is going on now. It is on 4-hour time frame. Now it's moving up, so I don't like this. I want it to go down. So target is 2.5 risk to reward. Stops are now to break even, so in worst case I am break even. However, I don't want break even. Now you may ask, as you can see, this is Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. You may ask, why did I take sell in this? Because when I was taking sell, the price was around this point. So at this point I have my pending order, and if you watch it on 1 hour or even 5 minutes, then you can see that it went up, and it went very strongly up. So at this point you probably thinking this trade will lose, and that's why you wait for candle closure. So I was on 4-hour time frame, and even though this seems like the price will go up, as you can see it rejected a lot and then it went down. Now it's here. So why did I take this? We see Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, the price is moving up, lower, higher high, higher low. So probably everyone will most likely go up, and the truth is that it can go up. But the reason why I took the sell is because if we see on 4 hour, here we have some resistance. So for most people, when we broke this resistance, we continuing up, but as you can see 1, 2, 3, and if you watch my previous breakdown, you will know that I'm looking for liquidity. So what does it mean? There are stop loss. People have their stop losses above this resistance. So now we took these stop losses, and we took even here, as you can see, this resistance or support or whatever you want to call it. We took even here, so that's another grab, another liquidity grab, and we bounce from this resistance. So the price may come back even above these. However, since I saw this strong reverse from this point, I saw this gap, then I was thinking, well, it's already Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and usually you see about Wednesday, Tuesday, that market reverse, as you can see. For example, here Monday, Tuesday, and market reverse. Then nothing, of course, it's not always, but usually around this, when everyone is confident that the market is moving up, then it usually go the opposite way. And the reasons why I took sells are not just because we took these highs, but because it's just too obvious. Everyone sees that. So this is my confirmation that it will go down, because it's just too easy, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And now we see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, higher highs, higher lows. If we go on 1 hour, look at it. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I really don't believe this trade will go up. Hopefully it will not go to my break even at this point. So target is 2.5 risk to reward, and reasons are we grab this liquidity, we grab the liquidity here, meaning we grab these stop losses from people, and of course I would not take it just because we broke this resistance. I took it because you see this strong rejection and strong candle on 4 hour, and then another one, and then we have this gap. So I expected to fill this gap. As you can see, no, there is just gap. The price did not fill this gap. So I was just thinking it will reject and go down, and this is what's happening. However, let's see what will happen in a few hours. But it can probably, my target is below or right around this price, this resistance or support or whatever you want to call it, because now everyone, everyone now have their stop losses where? Here, exactly. So that's why I'm targeting this. So if you don't know where to put your take profit, of course I can close partial now and let it run, but I don't want partial. I want 2.5 risk to reward. And the reasons for this, or for targeting this, is that people have their stop losses here. So at least we could grab these stop losses and then continue up. At least we could take this and then continue up, because now everyone is long, everyone see this trend line, everyone see these higher highs, higher lows. So at least we could take this, because for most people this is indicating support. For me, this indicates money. And we want to collect the money. That's why we are here. We are collecting money. But of course, it can go up. If you saw my video from Monday, breakdown of this trade, then you would know that my enter was here, or it was 4 hour, yes. My enter was here, and look what happened. 7 RR. Unfortunately, I close it about 1 to 2 risk to reward. So that's very unfortunate. I could have 7 RR, but 1 to 2, because I was thinking that, and again, I was targeting above these weekly highs, because again, what do we have above these weekly highs? We have, of course, stop losses here. So I was targeting this and it completely destroyed, go up, and it's still going up. So unfortunate that I did not hold, but whatever. I made a decision, and that decision was closed here, and that's it. So that's my breakdown. As you can see, I'm using multiple things, not just one. Mainly I'm looking for liquidity, for stop losses, and then decide to trade. I also use some other things that I shared on this video, like Fibonacci retracement with specific rules. You can watch it, it's completely free, and you can use it in your own trading, plus other techniques there are on this channel, so you can watch it as well. I hope with this video at least helped you. Again, as I said, target liquidity, target where are money, target stop losses, because the price will run these stop losses. We are here, banks are here to make money. So what do you think with everyone is seeing this resistance? You may say it's strong resistance. Yes, when it's strong resistance, you can be sure that this resistance will be broken and we will taken out. So if you see one touch, second, third, even fourth touch, then you can be sure. Again, this trend line, it works. These trend lines, this resistance, it works, but only when you have to be sooner here, not late. As you can see, one, second, third, and fourth was broken. So usually at third touch you should be careful. And if you think about it, everyone see it. Everyone can connect it second touch and then see third touch and continue on third touch. So this, for example, trend line, it went pretty nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, this was just too much. You can expect that it will be broken and continue down. And this is exactly what happens. So if you see something too obvious, be careful, because again, everyone put their stop loss here, target, whatever. They see it as a strong resistance, and what happened? Boom. That's why it happened. So now now it can reverse. It will most likely reverse from this point, because we take a lot of stop losses, and it will go probably something around here, or it will go up even more to take these. Let's see. I don't know now. We will see in a few hours what will happen, and then decide what to do. And that's it for this video. I wish you all the best, and goodbye.